Okay, good morning once again. We are in another day. That means with a trigonometric formula and trigonometric values. Today we are with this question cos 60 degree minus sin 45 degree by sec 30 degree. What is the value of this all? We need to find out. That is the question. And remember, the value of cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. The value of sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. And the value of sec 30 degree equal to 2 by root 3. In this step, just the value of cos 60 degree, sin 45 degree as well as sec 30 degree values are kept. I said yesterday to remember sec 30 degree value. Immediately you remember the value of cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? I think you are remembering that root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is the value of cos 30 degree. If you need sec 30 degree, just reciprocal of cos 30 degree you do, that means 2 by root 3. Just opposite you can think, or it is also called the reciprocal. So cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 and sec 30 degree value is 2 by root 3. And then students, you take LCM. LCM take 1 by 2 and minus 1 by root 2. In these two fractions, 2 root 2 is the LCM. 2 root 2 is the LCM, and in this first numerator, root 2 will go to do multiply minus 2 and 1 multiply do minus 2 will be there by 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 is there as a value of sec 30 degree. And then a by b by c by d. In the case of a by b by c by d, write in your copy a by b by c by d. That means a by b into d by c into d by c. So that students, root 2 minus 2 by 2 root 2 into root 3 by 2 d by c. Then multiply do students. Multiply do root 3 and root 3 and root 2 multiply do. That is root 6. And root 3 and 2 multiply do. Outside it will remain. Inside. That means 2 root 3. In denominator 2 into 2. 4 and root 2 is there. 4 root 2. And we have read sword in 8th class students. In the denominator, if root sign is there, in the denominator side, if root number is there, that means we need to remove root sign. So to remove the root sign, don't forget that we need to do multiply in the numerator and denominator by the same number. That means 4 root 2 is there in the denominator, root 2 is there, that root 2, to remove root 2, we need to do multiply by root 2. Don't do multiply by 4 root 2, just by root 2, because our intention is that, our thought is that if root is removed from here, our answer will be there. Or if number is there without root in the denominator, we think that that is our answer. So students, to remove these roots from the denominator, we do multiply with root 2 in numerator as well as we do multiply with root 2 in denominator. Then multiply to, then root 6 and root 2. Root 6 and root 2 multiply, it will come to 12. And 2 into root 3 and root 2 means inside the root 3 and 2 is there. So we did multiply with numbers which are inside the root. That is 3 and 2. We did multiply, that is a 6. And outside only 2 was there. That 2 is written outside, therefore 2. And in the denominator, 4 and root 2 and root 2. From yesterday we are telling that root 2 and root 2 means only 2. Therefore 4 into 2 means 8. So 8 is written here. Just we did multiply in the numerator and in the denominator. Then 12 means students factorize. In place of 12, 2 into 3 can be written. The factorization of 12 is 2 into 3 because the multiply of 2 and 2, 4 into 3, 12 will come. So in place of 12 can be written that 2 into 3 minus 2 root 6 by 8. And then students, remember the meaning of root sign. We have not done factorization of 6 because 2 into 3 will come one time numbers. If it is going to come, then it is not necessary to do factorize. It is not necessary to do factorize because our intention, our thought is that if any numbers is repeated 2 times inside the radical sign, then one time that number can be taken outside. One time if that number is not able to come outside, then no need to do factorization. In 12, we have seen that 2 is repeated 2 times. 2 into 3, that means 2 is ready to come outside. So students, 2 root 3, 2 into 3 means the meaning of root sign is 2 into 3. So 2 root 3 we have written. Then 2 root 6 is there, downside 8 is there. First of all, we have to take a 2 common in the numerator. Take a 2 common in the numerator, that is root 3 minus root 6 will be there by 8 equal to 2 and 8 cancel to 2 into 2 times 1. It means 2 1 is 2, 2 4 are 8. So 4 is in the denominator, in the numerator root 3 minus root 6. I think you have understood. Once again, दिएको के छ भने cos 60 डिग्री minus sin 45 डिग्री by sec 30 डिग्री छ. हामीलाई सबैभन्दा पहिला दिएका trigonometric angles हरुको भ्यालु थाहा पाउनु पर्छ. cos 60 डिग्री को भ्यालु 1/2, sin 45 डिग्री को भ्यालु 1/√2 अनि sec 30 डिग्री को भ्यालु 2/√3. अनि त्यस पछाडी हामीले के गर्यौं भने इन द नुमेरेटरमा भएको चीज 1/2 minus 1/√2 छ. त्यसलाई एलसीएम लेख्यौं 2√2 बी साइलेन्स √2 minus 2 by 2√2 by 2/√3. अनि हामीले के गर्यौं भने a by b by c by d हुँदा d by c हुन्छ भनेका छौं हैन. d by c हुन्छ भनेका छौं. त्यसैले कसको साउन्ड हो मलाई इन्फर्म गर त. नेम anyone please. Dipesh
सर सबैको म्युट छ.
ओके. हामी यही थियौं. जब हामीले a by b by c by d गर्यौं त्यस पछाडी a by b into d by c हुने भयो. माथि को मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं अनि फ्याक्टराइज गर्यौं. 12 भनेको 2 into 3 हो. 12 को ठाउँमा लेख्न सकिने त्यही नै हो. रुट को मिनिङ अनुसार यसलाई के गर्नु पर्छ भने 2 टाइम्स रिपिटेड भएको नम्बर 1 टाइम बाहिर लिनु पर्छ. 2√3 लेख्यौं अनि 2√6 लेख्यौं अनि त्यस पछाडी हामीले 8 थियो तलपट्टि 2 4 2 ले 4 टाइम्स 8 लाई क्यान्सल गर्न सक्छ, त्यसैले √3 माइनस √6/4 गर्यौं। यहाँ हामीले के नबुलौं भने हामीले क्यान्सल गर्न पाउँछौं भन्दैमा यो कमन नलिकन हामीले क्यान्सल गर्नु हुँदैन, कमन लिए पछाडी मात्रै क्यान्सल गर्नु पर्छ, यो कुरा चाहिँ भुल्नु हुँदैन। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेशन। 1 plus tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan 30 degree is equal to 1 plus sin 60 degree by 1 minus sin 30 degree. First of all, taking LHS, in LHS it is given that 1 plus tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan 30 degree. Remember the value of tan 30 degree, that means 1 plus 1 by √3. 1 by √3 is the value of tan 30 degree, that value is written here, and 1 minus tan 30 degree is there, the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by √3, that is written. Then take LCM, √3 is LCM, that √3 and this 1 to multiply, that will come √3, and √3 plus 1 by √3 by, in the denominator also take LCM √3, this √3 is LCM √3, and 1 to multiply √3 minus 1 by √3. Just before it was coming A by B by C by D form, here is also same form, that means A by B into D by C. You can write that also, or you can see in the denominator √3 is there, and in the denominator √3 is there, √3 and √3 can be cancelled. Then students, √3 plus 1 is remaining, then √3 minus 1 is there, then √3 plus 1 by √3 minus 1 into √3 plus 1 by √3 plus 1. We have seen here in the denominator root sign to do or to remove root from the denominator, do multiply with the numbers of √3 plus 1, √3 plus 1. In the denominator you see √3 minus 1, to make a square minus b square in the denominator we need √3 plus 1, that is written here. And then upside or in the numerator you have seen √3 plus 1, √3 plus 1, that is a plus b whole square. √3 square means 3, plus 2ab means 2 √3, and b square means 1. 1 square means 1 will come. Then a square minus b square, √3 square means 3, 1 square means 1. So students, you can do addition of 1 and 3, addition do, that will come 4, and 2 √3 by, when you subtract 3 and 1 you will get a 2, that 2 is written. And then in the numerator, just you can take 2 common you can take, that means 2 and 2 √3 will be there, and this 2 and this 2 you can cancel, and after cancelling that only 2 √3 is remaining. 2 √3 is remaining. In RHS, 1 plus sin 60 degree by 1 minus sin 30 degree is there. First of all, put the value of sin 60 degree and sin 30 degree, that is √3 by 2 is the value of sin 60 degree, and 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30 degree. Then take LCM, 2 is LCM, then 2 plus √3 by 2. In the denominator also 2 is there, this 2 is there is a LCM, then 2 minus 1 by 2, and this 2 and this 2 you can cancel. In numerator 2 plus √3 is there, by 1 is there, that means 2 plus √3, that means LHS equal to RHS proof. हामीले के गर्यौं भने यो क्वेशनमा पनि उही पहिला जस्तै, पहिला हामीले भ्यालु राख्यौं, tan 30 डिग्री को भ्यालु राख्यौं, दुईटैमा प्लस र माइनसमा थिए, एलसीएम लिग्यौं, √3 क्यान्सल गर्यौं, अनि त्यसपछि हामीलाई रुट हटाउनको लागि रेशनलाइजेसन प्रोसेस गर्यौं। रेशनलाइजेसन प्रोसेस भनेको डिनोमिनेटरमा भएको नम्बरलाई अपोजिट बनाउने, जस्तै √3 + 1 छ भने √3 र 1 त लिग्ने, तर यहाँ माइनस छ भने प्लस लिग्ने, प्लस छ भने माइनस लिग्ने। त्यही रुल्स अनुसार हामीले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं। मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा नुमेरेटरमा a + b को होल स्क्वायर को फर्ममा गयो, त्यसैले √3 स्क्वायर भनेको 3 भयो, प्लस 2ab भनेको 2 * √3 * b भनेको 1 छ, त्यसैले 2ab भनेको 2 √3 भयो, प्लस b स्क्वायर भनेको 1 को स्क्वायर। अनि डिनोमिनेटरमा a स्क्वायर - b स्क्वायर को जस्तो फर्ममा छ, किनभने a - b a + b छ, त्यसैलाई हामीले के गर्यौं, a स्क्वायर - b स्क्वायर भनेको 3 - 2, 3 - 2 भनेको 2 नै भयो। नुमेरेटरमा 1 र 3 एडिसन गर्यौं, 4 भयो। यो स्टेप रिपिट मात्रै भएको हो, केही गर्नु परेन यसलाई। अनि 2 कमन लियौं, 2 कमन लिइसके पछाडि हामीले के गर्यौं भने 2 र 2 क्यान्सल गर्यौं, 2 + √3 भइहाल्यो। त्यसभन्दा पछाडि आरएचएस हेर्यौं, आरएचएसमा पनि भेल्यु राख्यौं, sin 60 डिग्री र sin 30 डिग्रीको भेल्यु राख्यौं। भेल्यु राखे पछाडि हामीले के गर्यौं भने एलसीएम लियौं, 2 एलसीएम आयो, 2 + √3 भयो, 2 - 1 भयो, 2 र 2 क्यान्सल भएको रहेछ, 2 2 क्यान्सल गर्यौं अनि 2 + √3 बच्यो अनि त्यो एलएचएस र आरएचएस के गर्यौं बराबर देख्यौं। ल अहिलेलाई यति गरौँ।